Hello viewers, myself A. Satyanarayana, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, SRR Gout Arts and Science College, Karimnagar, Telangana, India. So in this lesson, I am going to discuss the equation of sphere passing through a given circle. In last class, we have discussed the problems which are related to the equation of a circle. The circle is the intersection of a sphere and a plane, and also we have shown that the given 4 points are cone cyclic. Today we are going to find the equation of a sphere when we are given the equation of circle. Sphere through a given circle. Now we have discussed some formulas to find equation of a sphere through the given circle. First one, the equation s plus ku equal to 0 represents a sphere through the circle generated by these two equations, s equal to 0, u equal to 0, where s is the equation of sphere, x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equal to 0, and u is a plane, lx plus my plus nz minus p equal to 0, or we can take ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0. Here is the circle which is the intersection of the plane u equal to 0 and the sphere s equal to 0. Now we are going to find the equation of sphere passing the circle, generated by s equal to 0 and u equal to 0. In other words, here is a circle, s equal to 0, u equal to 0. So we know that a circle in a 3-dimensional geometry is generated by a sphere and a plane. A plane cuts or intersects a sphere, then there will be a circle generated. The circle lies on the sphere and also the plane. Here is the circle. Here we are going to find a sphere passing the circle. So we are going to find a sphere. That sphere may not be similar to the sphere s equal to 0, may not equal to this. So the formula is s plus ku equal to 0. Here k is a parameter. To find the value of k, there should be given a clue like the sphere passing through a fixed point, something like that. So this is the one of the important formulae. Next we go to second, formula 2. The equation s plus k s dash equal to 0 represents a sphere through the circle formed by s equal to 0, s dash equal to 0, or through the circle which is the intersection of the two spheres s equal to 0, s dash equal to 0, where s equal to x square plus y square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equal to 0, and s dash x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux u dash x plus 2v dash y plus 2w dash z plus d dash equal to 0. Here is a circle generated by these two spheres. Now we are going to find a sphere passing through the circle. A circle is denoted by two equations. So if we are given two spheres or two equations of spheres, we find the equation of sphere passing through the circle. We use the formula. If a sphere and plane is given, we use the previous formula. Here is the two formulas. And third one, the equation of the sphere through the circle. Circle is generated by the two spheres. Here circle, generally we do not circle by a plane equation and a sphere equation, and also the two sphere equations. Here are two sphere equations are given. It denotes equation of a circle. Now the equation of a sphere passing through the circle is s plus k s minus s dash equal to 0, or I can write s dash plus k into s minus s dash equal to 0. So this is also a formula to find equation of a sphere passing through the given circles. So of course third and second are both are similar formulae. Here also circle is denoted by two spheres. In third formula also circle is denoted by two spheres. We can use s plus k s dash equal to 0 or s plus k s minus s dash equal to 0. These are two, of course this here also 2, here also 3. These are the very similar formulae. We get same result to a particular problem using the formula. So one more rarely use the formula. The general equation of the sphere through the circle a circle is denoted by two equations. Here one is plane z equal to 0. The first one is equation of cylinder. This is the equation of cylinder. When we cut by a plane, when we cut cylinder by a plane, we get a circle. We may get a circle or ellipse also. Here we get a circle, and circle is denoted by here the equation of cylinder and also a plane. This is a particular case. Here the equation of sphere passing through the circle is x square plus y square plus z square here also z square is there, plus 2gx plus 2fy plus 2kz plus c equal to 0. X square plus y square plus z square. Here one term is added to this, x square plus y square, here it is z square. 2gx 2fy are plus c are both similar and taken here, and one more term is added, 2kz equal to 0. This is the equation 4. You have to remember these 4 formulae to find the equation of sphere passing through the given circle. Here circles are given in different forms, a sphere and a plane form, and 2 sphere forms, and a cylinder and a plane form. Circle may be any form of these 3. Okay, let us go to the question number 1. Problem 1. Find the equation of sphere through the circle. Circle is formed by these 2. One is a sphere, the second one is a plane, and passing through the point. Here is the question. So we use the first formula, equation of sphere passing through the given circle, and given circle is s plus k into u equal to 0, or s plus k u. Here u is the equation of plane and s is the equation of a sphere. S plus k u, s plus k u equal to 0. S is, here s is x square plus y square plus z square minus 9 plus equal to 0. U is equation of the sphere, 2x plus 3y plus 4z minus 5 equal to 0. So I have written s plus ku equal to 0 in the equation 1. So here k is the parameter I have to find. To find the value of k, I need some clue in the problem. Here the clue is the point 1, 2, 3. The sphere 1 passes through 1, 2, 3. So I substitute the equation 1, substituting 1, 2, 3. So 1 square, 2 square plus 3 square, 1 plus 4 plus 9 minus 9 plus k into 2 into x. X is the 1, here it is the x, y and z. 2 into 1 2, 3 into 2 6, 4 into 3 12, minus 5 equal to 0. 9 minus 9 get cancelled. 1 plus 4 5 plus k into 2 plus 6 8, 20 minus 5, that is 15. 5 minus k into 15 equal to 0. 15 equal to minus 5 implies k equal to 15 by minus 5, that is, sorry, k by 15. K equal to minus 5 by 15, that is minus 1 by 3. Here k is minus 1 by 3. Substitute k equal to minus 1 by 3 in the equation 1. we get x square plus y square plus z square minus 9 minus 1 by 3 into 2x plus 3y plus 4z minus 5 equal to 0. And to remove the 3 in the denominator, we multiply the entire equation by 3. 3 into x square plus y square plus z square plus 2x minus 3y minus 4z plus 5 minus 27 equal to 0, which is the equation of required sphere. Here is the problem number 2. Find the equation of the sphere through the circle. The circle is given in the form of 2 equations. One is sphere and second one is plane as before, and center of the sphere this. So our required sphere passes through the circle and also center of the sphere. So instead of a point in the previous problem, we replace the point by the center of the sphere, that is 1 minus 2 minus 3. Here is the point. So as usual, let equation of sphere passing through the circle using the formula s plus ku equal to 0, where s is the first equation, x square plus y square plus z square plus 2x plus 3y plus 6 equal to 0, and u is the equation of plane x minus 2y plus 4z minus 9 equal to 0. So substitute these equations in s plus ku equal to 0. We have x square plus y square plus z square plus 2x plus 3y plus 6 plus k into x minus 2y plus 4z minus 9 equal to 0. Next we go to the center of the given sphere, x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x plus 4y minus 6z plus 5 equal to 0. So what is the center of the sphere? The formula is minus u minus v minus w. That is, we compare this equation 2 to the general form, x square plus y square plus z square 2ux plus 2uy 2vy 2wz plus d equal to 0. So compare to equation 2 to the general form. Here 2u is minus 2 implies u equal to minus 1, and 2v equal to 4, v equal to 2, next 2w equal to minus 6 implies w equal to minus 3. Here minus u is u equal to minus 1 minus u equal to 1, and v equal to 2 minus v equal to minus 2, w equal to minus 3 minus w equal to plus 3. Here it is the center. Here our sphere mentioned in the equation 1 passes through the center of the sphere 2, that is passing through 1 minus 2 3. For required sphere passing through 1 minus 2 3, we substitute this in the equation 1, then we get the value of k. Here it is x coordinate, y coordinate, z coordinate. Substitute these x, y, z values in the equation 1. We get 149 plus 2 minus 6 plus 6 plus k into 1 plus 4 plus 1 plus 12 minus 9 equal to 0. On simplification, 5 plus 9, 14 plus 16, 6 minus 6 get cancelled, and k coefficient is, here it is 5, 17 minus 9, that is 8. Here it is 16 plus 8k equal to 0. Then 8k equal to minus 16, then k equal to minus 2. Substitute k value in the equation 1. X square plus y square plus z square plus 2x plus 3y plus 6 minus 2 into x minus 2y plus 4z minus 9 equal to 0 on, and x square plus y square plus z square plus 2x plus 3y plus 6 minus 2x plus 4y minus 8z plus 18 equal to 0. X square plus y square plus z square, 2x minus 2x get cancelled, 3 plus 4 7y, and minus 8z, 6 plus 18 24 equal to 0. X square plus y square plus z square plus 7y minus 8z plus 24 equal to 0, which is the required equation of a sphere. Here is the problem 3. Find the equation to the sphere which passes through the point alpha, beta, gamma and the circle. Here is circle formed by cylinder, x square plus y square equal to a square, and a plane. So, we using fourth formula, the equation of sphere passing through the circle formed by the cylinder and plane is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2kz minus a square equal to 0. So, in the formula 4, go to formula 4. Here it is a formula, equation of required sphere, x square plus y square plus z square. Here z is 0, in our cylinder equation z is 0 and also y is 0, only constant is given, that is why gf's are 2gx 2fy terms are absent. The remaining equation will be x square plus y square plus z square plus 2kz plus c equal to 0. X square plus y square plus z square plus 2kz minus a square equal to 0. 2kz is 2kz. the sphere passes through the point. To find the value of k, some known point, the fixed point alpha, beta, gamma is given. We substitute the point in the equation 1. This is x coordinate, y coordinate, z coordinate, and alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus 2k into gamma minus a square equal to 0 implies 2k gamma equal to a square, shifting to a square right side, it is plus a square minus of alpha square beta square plus gamma square. Then k equal to a square minus of alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square by 2 delta. Substitute the k value in the equation 1. X square plus y square plus z square plus 2z. This is k, what is k, alpha a square minus of alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square by 2 delta, 2 to get cancelled, minus a square equal to 0. Multiplying gamma both sides, gamma into x square plus y square plus z square plus z into a square minus of alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square minus gamma a square equal to 0, which is the equation of required sphere. Okay, here it is an interesting problem. Obtain the equation of the sphere having circle, this is the equation of circle, equations of circle as a great circle. Here is the question is, this equation should be great circle to our required sphere. The equation should be great circle to the sphere, or we can say in other words, the center of our sphere and this given circle will coincide, will be the same place. Center of the circle and the center of the required sphere will be at the same place. So that's why we say that the great circle. Here one clue is given to find k, that the circle is great circle. That is the clue we are going to use to find the value of k. So let equation of sphere having the given circle is, equation of sphere is s plus ku equal to 0. Here it is the s from the given equations, k into u equal to 0, and rearranging the terms, x square plus y square plus z square plus kx plus here 10y, here also ky. So taking y as common, 10 plus ky plus, similarly here is minus 4z, here is the kz, taking z as a common, k minus 4 into z and constants are here -8, here is the -3k, -8 minus 3k equal to 0. So this is our required sphere. I am going to write the center of the sphere using the formula minus u minus v minus w. Here 2u is k, u equal to k by 2 and minus u equal to minus k by 2. Here all v, 2v equal to, similarly 2v equal to 10 plus k and v equal to minus of 10 plus k by 2. 2w equal to k minus 4 and w equal to minus of k minus 4 by 2. This is the center of our required sphere. And observe that the given circle, here it is the circle, the given circle is great circle to the sphere 1, here it is the equation. So the circle is great circle, therefore the center of the sphere, should be on the plane. What is the plane? X plus y plus z. For great circle, the center of the sphere should lie on the given plane. What is the plane? X plus y plus z minus 3. So substitute minus u minus v minus w values in the plane equation, we get minus k by 2 minus of 10 plus k by 2 minus k minus 4 by 2 equal to 3. Multiplying 2 both sides, so 2 are cancelled, minus k minus 10 minus k plus 4, 2 3s are 6, k minus minus 3k, 10 minus 10 plus 4, that is minus 6, shifting to right side, 6 plus 6 12, minus 3k equal to 12, k equal to minus 4. Substitute k value in the equation 1, we get x square plus y square plus z square, kx, that is minus 4x, 10 plus ky, 10 minus 4, that is 6y, k minus 4 minus 4 minus 4 minus 8, z plus 4 equal to 0, which is the required sphere. Next, problem number 5. Here it is also a different problem. The problem is, prove that the circles, here two set of circles, this is first circle, this is the second circle, circle 1 and circle 2 are given. The question is, lies on the same sphere and find its equation. That there is a sphere, particular sphere, on this the circles 1 and 2, these two circles lies on the sphere. In other way, we find the equation of circle passing equation of sphere passing through the first circle on the sphere. The second circle also lies. The second circle also lies on the sphere. Here we follow the method that we write two spheres passing through the two circles. The equation of sphere passing through the circle 1 and equation of sphere passing through circle 2. The first one is S1 plus S1 plus K1 U equal to 0. Here S1 is the first equation and U is the U1, and I take this is S2 and U2. I write second sphere passing through the second circle, that is S2 plus K2 U2 equal to 0. These are two spheres passing through the given two circles. So our question is, these two spheres are coincides. These two spheres are same. Passing through first sphere, passing through first circle and passing through the second circle are same. But here we have taken the two spheres in different way. This is for the first one is S1 plus K1 U1 equal to 0, and the second sphere is S2 K2 U2 equal to 0. So our job is, these two spheres are same, these are coincides, or the equations the first and second are same. So the coefficients of x square y square z square and x y z are same and constants are the same. So that is our job. From that we conclude that these spheres are same, and also this same sphere passes through the given circles, or the given circles lies on the same sphere. So both are similar concepts. To show these equations are same, I have taken these equations by substituting the first set of equations, S1 plus K1 U1 equal to 0, that is x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x plus 3y plus 4z minus 5 plus K1 into 5y plus 6z plus 1 equal to 0. The second one, x square plus y square plus z square minus 3x minus 4y minus 5z minus 6 plus K2 into x plus 2y minus 7z equal to 0. And simplifying this, simplified here, x square plus y square z square, rearranging the terms, K2 here is a minus x 3x x term, here is K2 x term, taking x as a common, K2 minus 3, and also it a minus 4y 2K2y, taking y as a common, 2K2 minus 4 into y, and 5 minus is z term minus 7z K2. So this is a K2 into z, and minus 6, here is the no constant, or there is only one constant term, minus 6 equal to 0, equation 4. Similarly, I am simplifying this equation here. You can see, you can write this equation here also, no problem at all. X square plus y square plus z square minus 2x, here y term minus 3y plus 5k1y, taking y as a common, 3 plus 5k1y, and z terms 4z, here also 6k1z, taking z as a common, 4 plus 6k1z. Constants are here minus 5, here k1 into 1, k1 equal to 0. So these are the equation 4. Here it is 3 and 4. 3 and 4. So we compare the coefficients of x square, y square, z square, and x, y, z, and constants. Of course, x square, y square, z square coefficients are same. There is no use to compare these coefficients. We compare so our goal is these third and fourth equation should represent same equation or same sphere. So that's why I'm comparing the x coefficient. Here is minus 2, here is k2 minus 3, k2 minus 3 equal to minus 2, comparing these coefficients, and y coefficients 2k2 minus 4 equal to 3 plus 5k1, and z coefficients 5 minus 7k2 equal to 4 plus 6k1, and minus 5 plus k1 equal to constant term. Here is a constant term minus 6. Here we have number of equations. We need only 2 equations to find k1, k2 values, but choose the first one. We get k2 equal to 3 minus 2, that is 1, and use last equation, k2 equal to minus 6 plus 5, that is minus 1. I used first and last equation to find k2 and k1, and the values 1 minus 1 of k2 and k1 should satisfy the remaining equations also. If we substitute the equation 2, k2 is 1, that is 2 into 1, 2 minus 4, that is minus 2 left side, and right side 3 into 5 into minus 1, 3 minus 5 minus 2. The second equation is satisfied. Third, 5 into 7, k2 is 1, this is also minus 2 left side, right side 4 minus 6, k1 is minus 1, 6 satisfied. Therefore, k2 equal to 1, k1 equal to 1, satisfied all the 4 equations. If we substitute k1 or k2 value in the equations 3 and 4, we get same equation. If we substitute k1 equal to minus 1 in the equation 3 and k2 equal to 1 in the equation 4, we get the same result, the same sphere. That is the sphere is our required sphere. The sphere passes through the given 2 circles. Here the sphere is after substitution using 3 or 4 equation, we get the result x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x minus 2y minus 2z minus 4 equal to 0.